Cut 3 chicken breasts and you'll have the best dinner of your life. To start today's recipe, let's slice up 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Just like this. Next, season generously with salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Adjust to your taste. With just a few simple ingredients, we can create a meal that rivals anything you'd find at a fancy restaurant. Trust me. In a large skillet, add 1 tablespoon of butter and a drizzle of olive oil. Stir until the butter has completely melted. Now place the seasoned chicken into the pan. It's super easy, totally fuss-free, and ready in under 30 minutes. No excuses not to try it. Since the first time I made this, it's become one of my favorite go-to dinners. Now, toss in 3 garlic cloves and let the chicken cook on both sides until golden brown. Your family will be asking where you learned this dish. Once it looks nice and golden, go ahead and remove the chicken from the pan. I'm telling you, this recipe will quickly become a regular in your weekly rotation. Using the back of a fork, lightly mash the garlic cloves right in the pan. Now add 1 finely chopped onion and saute until soft and golden brown. This is actually a family recipe that's been around for years. Hey, how do you usually cook chicken at home? Let me know. I love hearing your ideas. Now add 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir everything together well. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Stir everything together well. Add the juice of half a lime and a handful of fresh chopped parsley, then stir. The best part is that since I started making this dish at home, I've saved so much money compared to ordering out. Now return the chicken to the pan. And spoon that creamy sauce over the top. This is the secret trick that restaurant chefs wish you didn't know. Oh, and before I forget, drop a comment with your city so I can give you a shout out in the next video. Today's shout out goes to Roger Abraham from Aiea, Hawaii. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. Cover and simmer for about 5 minutes. Don't forget to share this recipe with that friend who loves chicken. They'll thank you later and probably start making it every week too. Now just plate a piece, drizzle some of that creamy sauce on top. I'm gonna cut a piece. Seriously, it's delicious. Enjoy.